Hello everybody, the Coding Panda here and welcome to DecaCode73. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python 3 explicitly. I'll not be showing you how to install Anaconda or Jupyter Notebook. I'll make a separate video on that too, so I'll got you covered. And in this video, I'll show you how to install Python 3 only, exclusively and explicitly. So first, open your browser and in your browser type in Python 3 installation and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you'll get a tab known as Download Now. Click on that, and once you click on that, you'll get a dialog box and click OK. And locate to the system path where the package file has been installed. And go to that path and double click on the package. Once you double click on the package, a big dialog box appears. Click Next, Next, Next and follow the procedure. Once it is done, open your terminal if you're on Mac or open your command prompt if you're on Windows. I'm on Mac, so I'll be opening my terminal and type in Python 3. If you get Python 3 Workplace or you get the version number and some text and 3 arrows, then Python 3 is installed. You can write Python 3 syntax over there, such as 1 plus 2, you'll get 3, and you can do all of Python 3 syntax over there. But if you get an error, please post in the comment section below as I'll be helping you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll meet you in the next one.